friends, welcome back to my channel. I just finished washing my hair and I'm gonna do a quick wash and go today because your girl is busy. And these are the products that I used to wash my hair today. The Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Conditioner and the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. I will refresh my hair with water and oil, even though it is still wet from the wash. However, I need soaking wet air for this style. And the oil I'm going to use today is from Take Me Away Essentials, and I'm putting it on my scalp as well as on my hair. Here goes the oil, and I'm just putting a little bit on my scalp, put a little bit on my hair. I am also going to use the Take Me Away Essentials Hair Hydration Mist. It is a leave-in conditioner, and for this style I really need a liquid leave-in conditioner to get my hair moist so that it can help in the absorption of the products. So here is it. I didn't show you. Right? All natural products inside this. I'm going to go ahead and just section my hair into more manageable sections. Yeah, so I think I need a side part for this. Let me go ahead and do side part. I'm going to use this today, Camille curl makeup. So I'm going to go ahead now. So I just pumped a generous amount on my hand, and we're going to work that in now. Work it in, work it in, work it in. Time for the dental wash. So section by section, I'm just pulling this out. And finish the process, because as you can see, I'm basically doing the same thing. I apply the curl makeup first. I apply the gel. a brush has done its thing, and I'm just trying to separate it some more so that it doesn't dry like that. So here I go. I'm trying to comb the hair how I want it to fall. Drum roll, drum roll. Let's do a head shake. Have you ever done this before? This is the hair and head shake. Let's do this. Let's look at my face. Look at that. So I'm just gonna sit outside and get as much air drying in as I can. It's about 3 p.m. now. This is the next day vibes, my loves. I am super proud of how it came out. This style literally took me about 20 to 30 minutes. Other than the process it took to dry, which was just air drying, it is ready for a lovely Monday morning for work. So friends, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.